we have this question, cos y sine 2x dy dx equal to cot x cosec y. Let's separate the variable. So this is already here, so that will be cos solution cos y all over cosec y dy. So bring the y together, and then the other one, then we have cot x over sine 2x. Okay, then dx. So we have separated the variable. The first thing I did is to, since your y function must be on the left side. Okay, I have this one already here. I have this one here. So divide both sides by what? By cosec y. So you have this. Okay, then also remove this one from here by dividing both sides by what? Sine 2x. Okay, and multiply 2 by what? By x. So what we need to do now is just to break this stuff. This is what? Cos y times 1 over, this will give you what? 1 over sine, okay, equal to dy equal to, this one also, cot is cos x over sine x. Don't forget that is 1 here. So 1 over sine 2x, and sine 2x is what? 2 sine x cos x. Okay, so this one and this one we cancel. Okay, so we now have here, this is fraction, so the inverse of this will give us what? Will give us sine y cos what? Cos y. The inverse of this will give us sine y. Okay, dy equal to, this one will be 1 over 2, and then sine x times sine x, that will be what? 1 over sine square x, which is what? Cosec square x dx. This one also dx. Okay, then don't forget your integral. Then you can remove this half here because I need the 2 here. So multiply this by 2, this by 2. So I have 2 sine y cos y dy. Okay, and this one will give me sine what? Sine 2y dy, integral of sine 2y dy equal to cosec square x dx. So integrate this place, which will be minus what? Minus cos 2y over 2 equal to integral of cosec square x, that's minus cot x plus c. So that's the answer for this one. Solution, we're going to split this one, and that will be this, split this into 2 parts, dy dx. Okay, then is equal to, this is 2x times 2 plus this. Okay, so we are going to remove this one from here, remove this one from here, and that will be what? This one all over 2 plus exponential to power y equal to x over this, then dx. Integrate both sides, integrate both sides. Then if you want to integrate this one, the derivative of denominator is the same as what? As the numerator. So and that will be equal to ln of what? Of the denominator. Anytime your derivative of the denominator equal to that of the numerator, it's going to be ln of what? Of the denominator. And the right hand side, we're going to use integration by parts. We're going to use integration by parts because it's two functions, this one and this one. Okay? So for the right hand side, u is what? U is this is x. So the u dx is 1, and then the v dx is this. So v is equal to what? Minus what? Minus this. If we integrate this, integrate both sides, so we have this. Okay? Then that will be equal to uv, that will be minus x times exponential e to power this, then minus integral of minus this times 1 dx. Okay, v times the u dx, okay, dx. And that will give us this. Minus times minus, that's a plus. Integral of this one will give you same also, but minus 1. Okay, then plus what? Plus c. Okay, so final answer will now become, we have a lim of the function 2 plus e to power y, then equal to what? Minus x e to power minus this. Plus times minus, that's minus exponential to power minus x plus c. That finished the solution to that question. So please, there's an icon on the video. If you are new on the channel or you are yet to subscribe, click on the icon and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you can be notified of the new updates of the channel. Click on like button, and finally forward your comments and share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that. Please, the next video will be question 3.